Let's actually start recording. Let me
Folder view list. Resize Zoom 15 on 50. River. Zoom Pro account window. Folder view list. Restream chat. Restream chat row 1 column 1. Restream chat banner and edit blank. Folder view list. Restream chat row 1.
Okay.
Restream.
Well, if you're in my room, then get out. No.
Edit protected blank. Edit selected below.
Oh, really?
Oh, selection.
I have to relog in here? Did I lose my...
Edit protected blank. Edit selected Mary 12 gmail.com. Mary RRIE 1 2 at G. Protected by recap. Type a message. Edit blank.
Okay, there we go.
Click button. This button. Do you want to enter? Click button and button disable. Graphic clickable menu buttons. Graphic status.
So I already have
Type a
my...
message. Edit blank.
Whoops. I already have my, my thing, my plan, because I did this
Will
last
it
night.
read the messages now?
Folder.
Because I'm using Restream, yes. But what I'm gonna actually do is whoops, not that. Is actually go on my phone, and then let me just hang that up. And then because I brought up the dashboard.
Clearly, yes, it will. It didn't read my first message.
Well, that's only because I'm on Restream, so that's why. And hello, Master Jake. So it's actually no, because I'm on Twitch. I'm just gonna do this.
Shut down Windows dialog.
Woo, not that.
Restream chat row 1. Restream chat.
I'm just gonna do this.
Oh yes. Zoom Pro account.
And just
Search edit.
check my chats every once in a while through my phone's dashboard.
Zoom. Sarah Lawami status.
I'll go over that not in this recording.
Refresh button. Tab meeting list. Tab control. Meeting list. Meeting topic accessibility feed. My personal meeting. My personal meet. Start meet. Zoom. You are the host now. Alert. Zoom meeting ID 2. You are using the computer audio alert.
Hello.
Click to share screen alert.
Up.
You are in the meeting hosted by Sarah Lawami.
Where is it that you're going from and to where?
KLAS to KLAX. I have the runways already set up. I'm just gonna keep it that way right now because I planned it through SimBrief. So yeah, the runways are gonna be wrong, but I now know how to set them up in SimBrief. So using that little app that we have.
Oh, okay, so you tried it.
I did. Works great, actually.
Folder.
And the elevation is 162 feet where I'm landing, which is great.
Ideal flight profession.
So what did
Starting
you? So how did you set it up with the app and SimBrief?
I read the wind direction and chose the runway that was close. So I'm taking off from 28 right.
Smart card. I log into smart card. Ideal
No,
flight. Smart
wrong
card.
airport.
Welcome message. Great to have you on board.
Wrong airport. Right. Uh-huh. So, feel free to host me on your channel, Jess.
Oh, hold on. Let me go on my phone.
Can you do that from your phone?
Yeah, watch. I'm going to show you how.
Huh?
I'm going to go here. Open Twitch.
Was that my thing that just went ding or yours?
No, that was mine.
Oh, because what I heard was, I'm just going to go here, ding. Let's see. Let me re-import the flight into flight plan.
So I'm going to go
Context. Min
here.
registration. Help. Paste clip. Copy clip. Load file. Image. Ideal flight. Button. Cancel load button. File name. Edit alt and blank. To look in. Combo box. Folder view list. Header control. Sync. KCAS. The FSF. KCVD. KCVDKS. Class left FSX 26. Knob 19 PLN. Date modified. 11/25/2009.
So I'm going to go to my chat. And then I'm going to simply go here.
Why didn't my... Okay, so I heard a ding. I don't know if that was on Twitch or Mixer. I have the Twitch dashboard open. Where would I see the what happened? In the top half of the screen or the lower half?
I think in the lower half it should
well,
say
that's
like
where my chat is. So... That's where my chat is, though. Well, I'm not really sure what that was, so whatever it was, cool. I need to actually like redo my sounds.
Casey class FSX. Ideal flight. Loading plan file. Load plan file. Class FSX 26 non 19 PLN. Climb to class. Cancel button alt. OK button alt O. Press ideal flight. Loading plan file. The prepared flight wheel. OK button. Press ideal flight. Override flight. Yes button. Press ideal flight. Override flight level. Override flight level. Edit. Selected 30,000.
30,000.
OK button alt O.
I'm not gonna make it up to 30,000, so whatever.
Press. Ideal flight professional.
Yes, I will reboot my life and start over or something. Ah, I forgot to post this on my Discord. Oops. Hey, Jake, would you mind doing that for me? Thanks.
Okay.
You have posting privileges in the BVI pilots general thing. I can talk.
Preparing flight. Please wait.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jake. Or shall I call you Thank you, Master Jake? You know, yes, Master.
Wait, what chat am I in? Wait, what chat am I in?
Not that one.
Wait, is he still hosting?
Ideal flight briefing. TCJR. Flight
Is
plan.
he
Climb to class.
still online?
Send it to BVI pilots. Hey! Hey, Denver Queen, how you doing? Feel free to host me. In your chat, in your own chat, type /host space my Twitch name, KE7ZUM. Feel free to try that. It's too bad I won't see it in the It's too bad I can't see it in the chat. Oh, cool. I guess it worked. Nice.
Oh, cool. It says now hosting K7ZUM.
Except why don't I see it in my own chat dashboard up my phone dashboard thing?
I think it would show up in your chat.
I'm in my chat. What am I up to besides flying planes in the snow? Well, not much. And hey, Trenton? Sorry, hey, Queenslight. Wrong name. I mean, wrong person. Anyway, so let's
Airport class.
let's fly this thing.
Ideal flight. Starting flight simulator. Ideal flight professional. Airport class.
Actually, let me, because I'm having the IFR thing in progress thing again, where it's not reading my text. So
I did not want to go from KSFO to KLAS.
you could.
Yeah, but that's not what I had planned.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'm not quite ready to do this on SimBrief yet, or else we would do it via group flight. I just want to fly this thing and see if the flight following thing works.
Mm-hmm.
Pain. Ideal flight briefing. Pain. Airport class.
Let me check something real
Context
quick.
met. Fly. Icon phone view. Full fly. Icon shelf submenu. New return depart ASAP. Flight run air. Flight generator. Window. Ideal flight professional. Flight generator. Submission will edit sort move to check clear search for flight fill X in airport code and dark items. Code and dark items button alt C. Pain. Header. Code fuel
Hello
further
there,
out default off.
Bethy. How are you,
Code
Bethy and
what you
Trenton?
mixture lever. Mic prop ATC showing default on checkbox checked.
Can you see hosted? Can you see my chat messages or my Twitch chat messages or no when you're hosting me?
If I were to go to my channel,
Like in your dashboard on your phone or whatever.
let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, do it. Do it, Beth.
No. Beth, don't do it. Don't do it, man. It's disgusting.
Wait, no, host me.
Oh, okay. No, I don't think I can. Unless if I go
Thanks,
to
Jake.
maybe.
Thanks for putting it up there on Discord. I actually like this method. This is so cool.
Unless
Like
if I
viewing my
go.
dashboard like this. This is really neat. Yeah, I know it's
Unless
in
if.
my Streamlabs. I just need to not. I just need to get off my lazy butt and.
Unless if I go maybe to
Drop lever full. Default. Drop mid
your.
you. Fuel
Wait,
turner out. Default.
what is
Engine
this?
started.
Hold on.
Magneto switches. Again better. You
Oh,
cut
I'm
drive
so
switches up.
stupid.
What happened?
When I was in my profile, I didn't have to go to my dashboard. I could have gone to the chat tab.
Oh, that's a good idea. Wait, in your profile, in that little
When
button?
you're in your when you're in your profile, see, look.
Info button. Clips button. Selected. Videos button. Clips button. Info button. Chat button.
Oh, I didn't know that was there.
Selected.
Me neither.
Chat button.
Parking brake on. Default auto brakes. Auto on. On. Enter load aircraft payload before start. Default on. Enter
Yeah,
on
but I
state after
can't
start.
see
Default off.
the.
Checkbox checked.
I'd have
Not
to
checked.
physically go to your stream.
Ah, and see the chats that way. Okay, well, I mean,
And
it works,
then-
but now that you're doing
and
that,
then-
whoever's tuned into your channel is going to think that you're speaking or something, or I'm whatever.
Recommended channel. First.
Load aircraft
Do you
payload. Load
want
aircraft
me
payload
to
after.
go?
Avionics items set.
Do
Avionics
you want me
autopilot
to
items.
go on your channel in case if you're flying or something and you can't look at the chat?
I've got it for now. Thank you, though.
Flight director on. DME to select health in either panel lights, cabin lights, landing text, aircraft lights. Need one show. ATC showing. Need one showing. Default on. Checkbox. ATC showing. Default on. Checkbox checked.
What?
Prop lever full. Default on. Checkbox checked. Prop lever position. This mixture lever. Mixture Q1. Combo pane. Code and start items. OK button. OK pane. More settings button. Alt M. Press. Ideal flight. More settings. List aircraft in service. Checked. Set ATC codes for ascent. Checked.
Oh,
Set
what's
ATC
up
codes
with?
for runway. Checked.
I can't stop the stream. What the hell?
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Swap nav 1 and nav 2 not destination navigation settings checked. Swap com 1 and 2 receive both com 1 and 2 not checked. Program GPS for flight checked. Program
What the?
and
Oh
preparation
crap! The
minutes to start.
player's not even showing up. What the hell?
Do you want to, well, I don't know if Twitch has a Discord, but,
I can't even.
So
Wait.
basically what hosting does, Denver Queen, is when you do that, it will host me on your channel while I'm live, at least while I'm live today, and it will play on your channel. So think of it like an automation playlist, except it's queuing up someone else's stream, thereby driving traffic to your stream, your Twitch channel, and mine.
Oh, okay. I see what I could do. I can watch. I can let's say that I'm on with you, and I want you to watch your chat. Just in case there's something
Aircraft
going
in
on.
service checked.
Right.
Set ATC codes for
I
ascent
can
checked.
go to this options thing real quick
OK button. Ideal flight
and
profession.
have it where it's chat only.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So I don't hear the video, but I can just watch the chat.
Right. Makes sense.
Code and start item. Use engine map. Better view calc drive parking auto brakes. Check calc use better map engine start.
I don't know why.
Pane.
I'm
Code
not
and start items.
having-
OK button auto. Ideal flight
Jeez.
professional.
I don't know
Code
why
and
I'm
start
having my in progress thing without text showing up again. I'm not sure what I did to
Context menu.
break that.
Sorry, I'm
Homepage.
not watching the
Okay.
video, but
Homepage.
like,
Okay. Ideal
yeah.
flight professional. Code and start.
No, because you're gonna have to hear me twice.
Context homepage.
I mean, I love hearing your voice twice, but
Ideal flight professional.
yeah, that can.
Airport class. Homepage. Ideal flight pilot. Fly virtual. Pilot rating. Pilot officer. Flight consistency. 48 point. Ideal flight. Starting flight simulator. McCarran info to Los Angeles.
All right,
Ideal
so
flight
let's
professional.
load this. Excuse me.
Enter. Ideal flight professional flight plan. Clan to class. Differ. Imported. In progress. Smart card. 32. In welcome message document. Great to have you on board.
Oh, what's up, Jake?
Oh yeah, and you have to do this specifically on your channel, Denver Queen.
One
So
moment.
go to your own channel.
Smart card. 32.
Go to chat. You could do this from the phone and type /host space my username.
Smart card. Flight MAP button. Refresh flight spread. Chat button. Set. Create button. New button. Refresh button. Departure airport. All 1100. Delete. Create new fly button. Pilot center. Fly press. Vote button. Edit. Multi-light. Combo box Boeing 737 800. Edit. Select. 32,000.
Ah, wrong cruise altitude.
32,000. 30 and come back but start button. Press. No.
Oops.
No start button. Back combo box going 700. Edit multi-line. Edit 30,000. 32,000. 30,000. Edit multi-line blank.
Oh.
Edit multi-line blank. Combo box going. Come back. Start generate. Start press. No. OK button. Top. OK. Notification display. Incorrect simulator scenario window. Incorrect simple. No. Start button.
Oh, right. There we go.
Smart cars. See, flat following. Lockheed Smart. Smart start button. Generate load button.
2.0 miles.
Start
Bearing
button.
41.
Press.
Specific time.
Departure airport list. All 1,185. Departure airport. From
Cool.
Las Vegas.
It works.
What?
I heard, well, closest city, Paradise, Nevada, something miles away, Pacific time zone, one, whatever my comm is set to. Except I think I have my voice, my sappy voice set a little bit too fast.
Lockheed Martin prepare for EDP4. Lockheed Martin.
I wonder if I
Oh.
can, that's alright.
Lockheed Martin prepare for.
Maybe.
Ideal flight PLNFS ramp. Map 1. Top. Map
Hold
bottom.
on.
Map
Why
1.
is my speech not talking?
Screen review.
Hold on.
Because, did you set yours to sappy or did you set yours to
Top. Ideal. Plan tools.
screen reader?
Plan. Left context menu.
Uh,
Open dialog.
It's in the INI.
Hit cancel button. Open file. Edit read only multi-title. Edit file list 1 of 12. KCBG. KS off no effect. KCBG KMFS.
you can have it do it via the screen reader?
Yes, you can.
KCBG KS class
So
class
then how would that
FSX
work? You could be like within any window and it'll... How do you
No,
have
I think
yours?
it's gotta be sappy.
Class FSX 26 knob. Class FSX 26 knob 19 PLNFS ramp. Map 1.
Okay, so if anyone knows how to not make tramp lag on long-ish, this is not a long route, but if anyone knows how to not make tramp lag on long routes, like the one I was trying to do, see the video that I can't really post a link to at the moment. So yes, it can. Yeah, on the latest. Yeah. No, actually, that's not where the lag is, because even with flight following off, I couldn't arrow, like, at all. So it is definitely in tramp. No, Beth, go to your channel, your Twitch channel, go to chat, go into your chat message, and type /host space KE7ZUM, enter. And you'll know if you did it right because you'll hear me coming through your channel.
Oh, I'm at two... Oh, the A and the G keys work.
Is it right bracket?
You could do right bracket A
Right bracket.
for ASL, and it said 2,000 something
2,188 feet ASL.
2,188 feet ASL.
and then do G.
7 feet AGL.
7?
Yep.
That makes no sense. Why am I 7 feet above ground? That makes absolutely no. Okay. Well, but that's the one I really need. So
Which one?
I need the AGL always. Well, not always, but right now I need the AGL.
So let's see.
Oh, I'd better start up.
Yep. What are you flying? A 737 or?
737. I'm flying the one I reconfigured. I don't know my sim keystrokes, so I'm kind of afraid to do that. Is it just B?
Mm-hmm.
No. I didn't change anything, just hit B? I don't, and do I have to type in something? Because I don't know my altimeter. I'm kind of afraid to do it because I don't want to break my sim. Just, okay.
7 PAGL.
Nope, still 7, so, yeah. Alrighty, so, yeah, cool, I think you did it. So, okay, so let's,
Object webcam mode. X.
oops.
Class. Find icon with Artaville. Devote 253,009. Activate.
Yeah, I really wish Tramp would not lag on the bigger flights.
Find inputs. I'm remaining.
Hey Jesse, what I'm gonna do later is I'm gonna give you the plan I was flying
Property
because
page
I've got it.
remaining.
And you can put it in your sim and see if it'll eventually, like, put it in your sim with ideal flight and see if it eventually lags.
Okay.
I'm taking off from runway... I forgot the runway that I chose. I think it was 11? No, that was, yeah, I think it was 11.
30 route coach course 250. List unknown.
Oh. Oh, I'm flying the Boach Star. The Sid,
Property page remaining. Property.
rather. Nice.
Class Alt FT 2181. Time 04422. Fuel gallon 500.
Yes, you can conquer the universe, Denver Queen. Yeah. No, and that's certainly true. And now that you can actually check your dashboard, which I'm still learning how to do, but let's see, what runway was I taking
level 0.
off from yesterday? It was runway...
Level 1 RWY01. RWY01. RWY08L1. RWY08R1. RWY19. RWY19R. RWY26L1 of 1 level 1.
Oh, it was 26. I remember.
RWY26L. Right context menu. Use in flat menu. Skip to the rest.
I'm at now 1,000
Lockheed
something
Martin
AGL.
submenu dialog window.
Nice.
1,263 feet.
Lockheed Martin R3DB4.
Alright, there we go.
Class FSX 26 knob 19 PLNFS ramp. Dialog remaining.
Is it not going to read the flap announcements automatically anymore?
It read them for me when I closed it now, just one flap.
Mine isn't reading. What's the key for, what's it, right bracket, I don't have my INI file.
Right bracket for what?
For flaps?
Right bracket F, I think?
Class FM.
Except, it's not working. What the? Oh shoot, no. Wait, huh? Wait, now my right bracket isn't working at all.
Smart car. Lockheed Smart class. Zoom meeting. OBS Zoom Pro. Ideal Smart Lockheed Zoom meeting. OBS Zoom Pro account. Ideal
Yeah, you're
ideal.
having the same issue I'm
nope,
having
my
now.
flight following just crashed. Hold on.
Run dialog select. Folder view list. OSC. Window items view list. F flight following. Items view accessible output 2
Oh,
of 80.
dude, mine just crashed too. What the hell?
Error log 34 of 80. Error log notepad. Blank.
Nothing in the
blank.
error log.
Flight follow. Flight following EXE 36 of 80. Your internet connection is on.
I'm gonna try running it as admin.
Flight following EX. Property page if this program isn't working. Run this program reduced. Run this program incompatible with running 600. Disable fault. Run this program as an administrator. Checkbox checked.
Oh, it is already checked. Okay.
Flight following window items. C. Flight following EXE
Closest
terminal.
city, Paradise Nevada. 2.0 miles. Bearing
Ideal flight professional.
375.
Ideal flight professional.
Descent
Header.
time. Flat spot.
C. Flight
Follow
following
on 100,
EXE.
entering
Lockheed
2.4.
C. Flight C.
There we go.
Lockheed Martin R3DB. Class.
So it crashed at random.
Lockheed Martin.
Hang on. Let's see. How do I do the Anyone know how to do a stream marker?
I'm not sure. What are they?
They are ways to mark your stream so you can highlight later. How accessible is Streamlabs? It's...
Lockheed Martin.
Don't use the app. Labs 5. 125. One more.
Class FSX 26 of
There
19
we go.
PLN
I
FS
think I'm
plan.
gonna be fine with Labs 10.
Salon remaining. McCarran Intel extended one of
Let's get me
object
to...
tab mode, web mode, scan mode. I to pro
Okay,
to
so
desk.
right
0 KTF.
bracket F, right
Plus 5 plus 5.
bracket
Broad coach
H,
107 and 1
and
map
right
copy 1 map
bracket
0
S
map
don't
flag
do
autopilot
anything
map
as of
2.
yet.
Okay, that's probably why it
So
crashed.
just letting you know.
That's probably why it crashed, because it's not...
207 H 25 map span.
He didn't program it yet.
270 activate.
I'm gonna get myself into the heading thing, because, yeah. So you heard what happened with the dipstick developer of Tramp?
Edit blank 275.
Hmm?
Autopilot checkbox not.
So you heard what happened with the
Activate.
dipstick developer of Tramp?
I heard he gave somebody a smart ass answer.
Yeah, he gave one of us a smart aleck answer, and basically is making fun of accessibility, which is not cool.
Parking brake off.
Mm-mm.
Closest city, Paradise, Nevada. 1.9 miles. Bearing, 329. Flaps 15. Positive rate.
Terrain.
I let my gear up too early. Crapola.
Terrain.
I am.
Terrain.
Basically he said something to, basically the dipstick developer said something like, if I do this, can you get here fast enough? Basically, if you don't, you know, you're gonna get left, you're screwed. So, this person actually told the dipstick developer, I'm just gonna call him Dipstick, like a way to turn off the map, and he gave him an answer like a few months, like 7 months ago. No, I just drag it out of the way. I don't see why you wouldn't want to remove the map. It's fine. Like, he does not understand accessibility. He's given me like, oh, I don't want to put in these key conflicts because they're going to conflict with the sim. Basically would not give me the time of day at all.
2,421 VAG now. Flaps 10.
I'm at 15,033 feet ASL and 10,000 something AGL.
I'm at
5,512 feet ASL.
5,512 and
2,841 VAG
2,800. Yeah.
Which by this time, I think you would just have to take a look at your ASL.
Well, I'm still putting in my flaps.
Flat spot.
Yeah, that's true.
I think there's gotta be a point when you don't want to look at your
6,224
AGL anymore.
Yeah, probably now. I'm at 6,000 something ASL.
Flat 2.
48,722.
Hey!
Hello.
Hey, Josh!
Wait a minute.
Oh, there we go.
I hear ya!
I'm not hearing you guys on Zoom. What the hell?
Oh.
We hear you.
We hear you fine. Well, let's see.
Left the meeting alert.
If that means we can't hear Josh, does that mean we can talk about him? No, I'm kidding. What do you mean by the Dalmatian thing, Denver Queen?
Hmm?
Well, yeah, no, his mic is kind of broken, so... No, because he's on his Mac mic, and his Mac cancels out noises and stuff. Did I put my... Yeah, I'm fine. No, that's just his mic, Jake. Or shall I say Master Jake? What is appropriate stream etiquette? Do you call someone by their username, if you can? Or what do you essentially tend to do as a streamer? All of you.
What run were you gonna land that in last?
I don't remember. Oh, I don't remember, not at all. But I'm gonna put Tramp away right now, I don't need it.
Lockheed Martin prepare for EDP4.
See, but yeah, that's the thing. Tramp does not lag at all on this short hop to LAX. It'll start lagging if I, yeah. The reason we don't is because it's at 96 kbps, and right now I'm not about to do any nitroing to that server, so because I can get it to 320 if I really wanted to. Don't use Discord on Mac. Use it on Windows and use the Canary channel, Denver Queen. I'll let you two hash out Discord.
What?
Lockheed Martin.
Aw, man.
Oh, no. His mic doesn't sound like garbage. It's that I think he was talking to us from his Mac.
Flight following just crashed again.
Folder view list. FFLA Operations Center. Blank. FFL flight following. 6 activate. Edit selected flight following. Flight following. 6 of 54. Activate. Edit selected flight follow. Normal mode. Flight following terminal blank.
Closest city, Enterprise Nevada.
Zoom
Oh,
start
it
2
crashed on me.
Bearing
What the
7.
Flight
hell
following
is
Lockheed
going
Martin.
on?
Flight following row 1 column 2.
Off.
Flight following terminal. Zoom system submit. Lockheed Martin. Ideal smart OBS.
It just
Zoom pro
crashed
row 1 column.
again.
Lockheed. Zoom meet OBS 2 up 6. Folder view F. Store flight following. 6 of 54. Flight following.
Okay, my fault there.
Closest
Key
city,
7
And there's no error log either.
Jason Fair, key 7 I'm not actually. iPhone map seems like a bit of a mess.
Parking
What's
brake
the
off.
best way to act?
Tom 1,
Would like to take a
132.4.
caps lock off. AGY select.
Oh, I'm flying
Flight
over
following
Fort Irwin, California.
You're there already? Wow.
At least that's what it
Would like to
said.
take a zip. D. Dot. Flight following term. OBS Studio Zoom Pro account. Lockheed Martin prepare for EDP. Lockheed Martin prepare for EDP4.
13,156 feet ASL.
I'm at 13,160 feet above sea level. I'm at 13,600 and something feet above sea level.
Nice.
But I have my climb rate set rather low because, well, the way it was a freeware plane and I didn't, yeah.
I am now 22,201 above sea level.
Orbit 8,722 Gmail compass joins the meeting alert.
We are
Hello.
running it as admin.
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
What's
How
up?
do
Okay,
you-
now we hear you.
Wait, so Jake is suggesting we run this in the terminal only. Or not terminal, whatever, command prompt without using the shortcut, but I don't know how. Maybe it might not crash?
What do you mean without using the shortcut?
Like when it crashes and stuff?
How are we supposed to tell like what cities we're going by and stuff?
No, you run the app in the terminal, but it will still output the cities.
You go to the change directory. You change the directory to the flight following directory.
And then run the flight following dot. See, but I'm used to Linux, so I might accidentally type a / when I'm there.
No, that's what I did. I just ran it, just the executable.
Well, yeah, but so you can run it from within in the terminal. I wish that there were a way to output a TypeScript via Windows.
Flight following row 1 column 2.
It's still up.
OBS Studio
so-
Flight Lockheed Martin.
15,203 feet
best
ASL.
way to make sure that it doesn't crash. Well, okay, maybe it's just ultimately has to fix it, but I think the best way. One, don't make ideal flight hide the window. That's the worst thing you can do because when the sim closes, it doesn't close all the components with the terminal. So don't do that.
No, actually, it doesn't. I didn't make mine hide the window, so. Not this, because it actually pops up in my face when I'm doing stuff. But no, this thing will just crash at random.
Hey, Devin Queen, that's cool. That's pretty cool.
Huh?
Devil Queen just mentioned to me that she had lunch with you.
Ah. There might be a trace route. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure where it would be.
It's interesting. Once like December 11th, December 12th comes and like nothing is going to happen to our YouTube channels, like we're going to go back to YouTube because I know for a fact that if YouTube shit Alex would hear me. I don't know if Alex realizes how accessible Twitch chat is.
Actually, Twitch chat is very accessible. I'm using it now.
Yeah, it's become a lot more accessible.
In fact, I just set up my info stuff. It's a bit of a mess, but that's just because I didn't know what I was doing. But I set up my info panels on my channel.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm quiet. Oh, you know why? It's because I need to. I gotta go.
Oh, no, we're not famous, Jake. We're not famous, Master Jake. Yeah, and I have hearing trouble, so.
17,293 feet
Hold
ASL.
on, let me go get me some Wawa, guys. I'll be right back.
I'm thirsty too. Actually, I have to pee.
Hold on. Hold on.
I think I've got time. I think I've got time to pee. I hope. I remember that. I remember that Denver Queen. Yeah, that was fun. We both ordered quesadillas that day at lunch. That was great.
I remember my volume used to be pretty good on Zoom. I don't know what's all happened.
It might be my fault. because I do have
Well,
Zoom turned down pretty
I
low.
don't know. I know it tends. Oh, okay. Maybe that's why.
I have it balanced to my hearing, so
Yeah. Yeah.
which ain't good. How far are you in? Oh yeah, so about the trace logs or whatever, this crash dance needs to go.
The what?
The crash dance.
The flip flop.
Oh, and it crashed again.
Oh, good lord.
Folder view list.
All right, so
following,
maybe I
654.
have been experiencing. Well, no, I've never
following
experienced
serving.
this much
Lock,
crash.
lock,
Well,
lock,
just
city, lock,
keep in
limit.
mind, guys, I
5.9
actually
miles.
tested
Bearing,
this
88.
particular
Pacific time.
build,
Positive rate.
and it didn't crash
Parking brake
this
off.
much. So
Hour
he must have done
132.4.
something over the weekend.
Yeah, he did. I tested the build before, 0.7.
No, but I tested, I tested 0.7 with, with the AGL and the screen reader stuff.
No, I'm not even really
AGL.
doing much of anything. It'll just push.
Yeah.
And there's no error in the error log and no warning.
So it's interesting, like, if like, YouTube doesn't delete our channels, would you go back to it?
No. Because I'm finding so many benefits with Twitch. I can host you at will. I can host a whole bunch of people automatically. Like, let's say you and Jesse, like, decide to go on at different times. You both will show up on my channel as if it were like an automation. Think about automation on a... think about multi-streaming to Twitch channels. Both thereby bringing driving traffic to you and me.
I'm probably gonna switch. So what, like, do you just not use, have you quit using Restream, or you just?
I'm still using Restream. I just, because it's easier. I mean, it's going out to Mixer too, but I'm mainly promoting my Twitch right now. So feel free to host me, by the way, Josh.
Yeah, I
I think you did, didn't you? Oh, okay. I won't be able to see it, but thanks. Thank you.
I have 10 people auto hosting me. So
wow.
When I go live, it's gonna be
nice.
Like, I have no idea where these people came from, but I'll take the traffic.
Hey, take it. Take it, I need to call my dentist tomorrow.
I hope that I can, I want to figure this thing out with Tramp and Batson, because
I want to figure out, well, that's too, but I want to figure out what the hell is going on with the... See, I have more freedom now. I want to figure out what the hell is going on with the Tramp, KSFO to PHNL, and lag.
I'm guessing it's the map. It's got to be the map. If it's only happening on certain flights, it's got to be.
It didn't happen on the last. It didn't happen on the last flight though. The last mid haul I did with the 737.
When I upgraded to P2D 4.5, a lot of the lag issues I've had stopped.
I'm using 4.5.
Yeah, but the latest fix though, the latest patch.
There was a patch.
Yeah, it's patch 2 now. There's 2 patches.
Really? I updated about 2 months ago. No, 3 months ago. No, wait. When did I? About in July.
I would probably just download the installer
and just run it. It can't hurt, really.
Yeah.
Cause I know it's like a memory leak. Cause my whole sim will bog down.
Yeah, I'll have to try and see if it happens with me.
I can give you the flight plan if you want.
No, sure, why not?
It's made by SimBrief.
Yeah, SimBrief's an awesome add-on. Did you see Gus's stream last night?
I did not. I was flying tired, remember?
Oh, yeah. Gus and Joseph.
See, Josh, you're famous. Go ahead.
Gus did a...
Hey, Charlie! Quiet! Oh, whoops. I forgot my mic was open.
Gus did a couple hour stream of, like, VFR on that sim
Whoa! How did he fly VFR?
FSX Pilot and the H2A Cessna.
Whoa!
Flight following from Lockheed.
You control the speeds manually with the H2A
22,635 VASL.
throttle and the if I can, I'm gonna ask Thomas for
Holy crap!
because if I can do that, I would love to do that. They had so much fun just messing around with Cheetah
Really?
Con.
I'm not. I just don't like GA crap. Although there's one GA. Well, it wasn't GA. I'm still.
The A2A Cessna is, you know, like pretty realistic with the sound. It's
Not the sounds. It's just the
I think
dynamics stuff that I.
What do you mean the dynamic? You're in a simulator. It's not like you're personally in danger.
I know that, but still,
Very
I just don't like
nice.
flying. I don't like flying Cessnas. You breathe wrong, and it'll crash.
That's not been my
24,360 VASL.
experience.
Flight following crashed again, and this time I wasn't even touching it.
Run it through the terminal. Run an elevated command prompt and run it through the terminal. Is there an output? Is there a TypeScript command that he can type to output all this into a
I
file?
don't think so.
How do I run the? Oh, hold on.
Yes, I can't remember my Windows. I need to call my dentist tomorrow. I just need to get this over with. I'm just scared that my muscle will be paralyzed again, and I won't be able to talk. Ah!
Yeah, Jake, that is awesome that we can
Photo
use
unit.
the
Lockheed Martin.
tooltips
Closest
of the
city,
A2A
29 miles, California.
to start off.
43.4 miles. Bearing 181.
The reason
Pacific
why
time.
we
Positive rate. Parking brake off. Com 1, 100.
the reason why we gotta use the reason why I have to use FSX Pilot is because it gives us speed information via CTS.
Oh wow, yeah, that really does sound cool. Yeah, tomorrow I'm probably just gonna call my dentist and get it over with. I'm just so afraid. Because, yeah, that seriously hurt.
24,783 VASL.
There we go. Now I'm hosting your channel.
Ah! Oh, thank you very much, Josh.
Of course, I mean, people usually don't tune into like hosted stuff. They usually
No, but
my channel's popular.
no, but at least it works. And if someone happens to tune in and hear, oh, who's this person? Let me follow her. You know.
Yeah.
She sounds
Yeah,
like
'cause
she's
like I
got a
said,
head cold. No, I'm kidding.
I got over 10. I got like 10 people. I don't even know. I think they came from a team that I'm on. Like I joined a team that promotes streamers, and I think they just came out of nowhere. Oh, what was their channel?
Oh, how far are you in Sequence Storm?
I'm considering I just purchased the game. Not too long ago.
I'm 56.5% of the way through with the standard, and it is getting hard.
Yeah, and well, have you tried the audio cues mode 2 yet?
I have. I can't do it.
I can, but I think that's probably because of my experience with the Rock Band games.
No, my memory just kind of shorts out when I hear too many things coming at me at once.
Well, yeah, I mean that's kind. Well, plus you got to keep in mind the racing mechanics of this game too. It's not just racing.
Yeah, no. In fact, Sequence Storm themselves commented on one of my YouTubes about why I was missing, about why I was colliding with the barriers.
Yeah.
So it worked. I'm just gonna, but see, I tend to slap my left joystick, not not stroke it. I really have to pee.
26,362
Okay.
ASL.
Well, yeah, but I don't want to miss my descent.
How far are you away?
I have no idea. Well, I'm still climbing, so it's gonna take about maybe 20 more minutes. Yeah, I think I have time. I'll be right back.
And Jake was talking about, you know, just a couple of minutes ago that I have over 100 some 40
Wow.
people on my YouTube. But like, well, no, that I do, but Declan's got like 160, so
I've got 507 now.
yeah, did you do anything for 500 subs yet?
No, and I know I need to. I'm probably thinking of going out with a bang.
Do your first
Well, I'm gonna do as
Well,
promised. I mean, I'm gonna do as promised.
just make sure that you do it before or after December 1st, because Leon is doing his yearly gaming marathon on December 1st. You don't want to, you don't want to compete with that.
Oh, yeah. No, I thought it was December 2nd because he's eating those chili peppers or whatever.
He's eating a whole bunch of spicy stuff.
I don't know. I'm thinking, I'm thinking of, I don't know what I'm going to do for ringing in the 2020 marathon, but I know what I'm going to do with anything I receive. So,
What do you mean with anything you receive?
any donations and stuff that I receive, I know what I'm going to do with it this year. Well, at least for this one anyway. So, oh, that water's cold. Oh, I have that you traitor, grave robber track in my head. That's like my favorite track. Actually, no, my favorite track is Hiramod's theme, which if you were listening to my Twitch stream last Friday, you would have heard it. You would have heard me, well, yeah, you would have heard me do pretty good with it.
Jake, the way to fix that with Tramp is to use the Tramp's autopilot. If you switch to Tramp's autopilot, it won't use the plane's autopilot. You're not supposed to use the plane's autopilot with, you're supposed to...
Oh, I think I'm making my descent.
Looks like it.
Yeah. So I finished my ablutions right on time.
Lockheed Martin,
when you're using
Lockheed
Tramp,
Lockheed Martin, Lockheed Martin.
A2A stuff, you need to switch it to Tramp autopilot by clicking that checkbox in the aircraft panel, in the aircraft dialog.
Oh, yes, to Lockheed Martin.
Ah! I think I figured out the, flight following just crashed again.
FLA Operations Center.
And you figured out why it was, or why it is.
If I do
Closest city, Big Bear, California.
Lockheed
a
Martin.
keystroke, it crashes.
Bearing 244.
Sometimes.
Pacific
Most of the time.
Positive rate. Parking brake off. COM 1,
If
132.4.
it's
I did right bracket A, it was fine, and then the window just disappeared.
25,568
Yep, I'm making my
ASL.
descent.
Yeah, I made my first
Mentions
failed landing last
100.
night ever on Vatsim.
Flight following Lockheed Martin, Lockheed Martin. Flight following row 1 column 2. Flight following terminal blank.
Nice.
Straight into the ground.
25,150
Because no
ASL.
freaking call out. I had the flight following
Lockheed
thing, you
Martin.
know, but it was too quick for me to react once I got to the ground out.
I just hope this time my sim doesn't crash like it did when I did this flight yesterday. Oh, by the way, Josh, this is the plane that I reconfigured, like with the fuel modeling and stuff.
What? Yeah, how do you reconfigure the freaking fuel model? And like,
Read
how,
the,
what numbers?
Read the documentation, stick your nose in a manual, keep it there for about 3 months, let it ferment. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, just stick your nose in a manual and just let it ferment. It'll be fine.
But well, no, I mean I understand like the fuel section. You have to like put, you have to put in the numbers.
Oh, and the weight, I configured some of the weight. I configured the weight too, so it's pretty close to empty and full weight, which is why I took a little bit longer taking off.
But what? So I mean, like what documentation did you actually read? Like, did you?
There is documentation on CFGs with pre-par.
Oh, okay, because...
And then you read that. Well, don't read the whole... You can read the whole thing if you want, but it's a long, dry, boring read.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I want to configure...
Closest city, Big Bear, California.
Oh, yes, I'm over Big Bear. I'm making my descent. I know exactly where I am.
What plane is this? Is this a 737 or what?
It's a 737-800 from Turkish Airlines.
Hey, you know what? Can you send me that? So I'll
would, except I'm using the SkySong Soundworks sound set.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
Well, I know, but you can replace it with your own if you want.
Well, no, I had the same sound
okay.
pack.
Yeah, I'll give it to you later.
Because yeah, I would love to use I do have to start.
It's gonna fly. You're not gonna. It's gonna fly a little oddly. It doesn't fly like a dream, but it's close enough.
Well, yes. You can use it. Well, I've been using it with general aviation, so it's really not good for boarding and boarding passengers that way. It is good for warping to. Unfortunately, if you're at a gate, if you want to use it with that sim, you have to do pushback first. It won't let you warp to a gate without pushing back, or it won't let you warp to a runway without pushing back first.
But then the changes I made, the plane actually sounds a little better.
Oh,
like it wasn't at full throttle at 30,000 feet. Even it hasn't been at full throttle for. Well, since I took off, I pulled back
but the thing is, I mean, I've seen like the fuel like thingies in the CFG, and I kind of understand it, but like.
You need to modify weights too.
But the thing is, what to put in there? That's the question.
I made it a total of about. It's a little too big, I think, but I made it a total of about 8,000 gallons total.
I think that's a little big, yeah.
Well, I mean, it works. It's a little much, but hey, it's a 737-800 that just kind of got a few extra bigger tanks. It just got modified for a government project. That's all.
Yeah, Jake. I would use pushback. I just
19,859 VASL.
The problem is, I wish we could do a straight pushback automatically, because I don't know which way to push back, left or right, and I always usually just use number one, which is pushing left, nose left, tail right. But that's, may not always be the case, Maybe people on VATSIM may think I'm weird, but just doing the same thing all the time. Because the push straight back method in GSX is you have to stop it manually, and obviously we don't know when to stop, so that's kind of problematic.
I might do a long haul. I might go out with a bang. Not this week though, because I have to work. Because I have to work on Sunday and Monday. The only day off I have is Saturday.
Yeah.
Actually, no, not this week. I've got a demo lesson. Actually, he knows that I normally never teach on Saturdays, but since I guess no one else was available to do the demo session, yeah, and I'm reliable most of the time, except when something happens.
Oh yes, lucky.
Crashed again.
Yeah, I know, Jake, like the general
consensus about pushback 4.6 miles. Is just, Bearing 233. Pacific time. Positive rate. Parking brake off. Call 132.4.
Not how most airports are laid out in Sim.
17,638
It's kind of hard to get that info.
17,638
It's kind of hard to get that info. 17,638
VASL.
Get that info.
How does she sound, Josh? Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, no, yeah, I heard it. It's quite good.
Yeah, whatever I did, like, really, like, yeah. Yeah, I mean, the feel's a little off, but for a first try, I'd say I did okay. And she's flying well. Well, we'll see what happens when Jessie flew it from, where was it? Vegas? Or not Vegas.
From Minneapolis to...
No, Miami.
No, from Miami to Fort Myers?
Yeah, except he trimmed the way he normally would if it were a freeware plane, and he... yeah.
Yeah, it kind of went up and...
So basically you have to go easy on the trim because of the weight you made the weights a little lighter.
A little heavier, but remember, I guess obviously I'm losing weight because of fuel. So.
I think the weights in general were probably good. It was just the fuel that was the.
It was 90. No, because the weight was wrong. At least in the plane that I was flying, I think it was like at 7,500 pounds empty or something like, or 75,000 pounds empty. Like.
So yeah, the empty weight is like what it is without anything.
97,000 is empty for a true 737-8.
15,928 PASL.
Average weight is about I think 180, 200,000. So full.
Yeah.
So so yeah, I made it a little closer to I mean, made it just a little, because I did look that up online. But yeah, she's flying okay. Well, we'll see what happens when I trim. No, Jessie, I think trimmed too much.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll see what happens when I land.
He hit down arrow like twice, 3 times?
No, he hit end, I think, like 5 or 6 times, and yeah.
No, I hit it like 2 times.
Oh, you hit it twice?
Yeah, dude, you might want to use down arrow for trimming on landing.
At least for this plane, anyway.
Yeah, but down arrow.
Huh?
14,783 PASL.
What about virtual is fun, Jake. If you're up for doing VAT Sim, Canadian Express is fun too. But you gotta, like, I'm doing my first 20 hours, but then after that, it's like they expect you to be online all the time. With every flight, they want you to be online.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, but I mean, I like being on VAT Sim. I love it when I can, you know.
I'm still nervous to do my first. I'm still nervous to do my first
attempt.
Yeah, flight.
I mean,
it reminds me. It reminds me so much of like the field day thing. Like it took me 24 hours to key up.
Well, I was
field day.
Nah, on Saturday I was in for a rude awakening when I had to like read back a long list of taxi instructions.
Oh.
Like it was an experience when I had to do in sequential order, like Delta Bravo, Echo, Alpha, cross runway 11, and hold short runway 4 left or something. That was crazy. Like next time, I'm just gonna say, hey, you know, the taxiways don't really matter much to us. I already told you I needed to slew. Just, you know, just tell me when I can do that, and that'll be a lot better. I hope that they'll allow that, because that was really hard for me to read.
Well, you know, we're gonna have to read that back when we are able to taxi one day. So I mean.
Okay. Yes. But I don't think Ideal Flight is going to be able to make it so that we can taxi via the actual taxiways. I don't know if that'll be possible. It might be.
We don't know. I mean, I'm just doing a lot of assumption here.
But he's
12,749
doing the whole
VASL.
speech thing. Like, we won't even need flight following when ideal flight is done, I think.
Although I'm glad we have it. I mean, just in case if let's say, I don't know, ideal flight breaks.
Yeah.
I mean, this is good. I mean, this is really when it doesn't crash. When it doesn't crash, it's good.
Flood level 4,000.
Yeah, Jake, I'm nervous too. It took me, well, in the real world on field day, it took me 24 hours to do my first, and after I keyed up the first time, I was so excited I cried, and they're like, pick up your mic! Okay, K7 UGE, yeah, call sign? Yeah, trying to do that through tears was, yeah. But tuning in those frequencies just, oh my god. Ooh.
I had to upload my first, like, kind of fail at clearance, like, because I thought you had to, like, you don't necessarily have to read, like, every little single instruction, because there were things in there that you just don't have to say, but, like, I thought you did, and I'm like, oh my god, that was way too much.
Oops.
So I was like, cleared to, fly year 4 departure, and then, because he said the waypoints of the SID, I'm like, oh god, I don't remember those waypoints. And then I was like, oh, flight year 4 has filed, climb to 3,000, expect 1-2,000, 10 minutes after departure. But I mean, I didn't say that because I thought I was like, oh god, I got extremely. And I was like, oh yeah, you got the first part right. And then I mean, he was helpful. It wasn't mean about it.
Oh, that's good though. And did he know you were new?
Well, yeah. Not only I mean, he knew I was. Actually, I don't know if he did, because the problem is, I created my account back in like 2017 for Southwest Virtual. Once if that's in my D, whether you can fly on that or not.
Yes, to the lucky
So I created one, and I had this account for like
Closest city, Ontario, California. 0.9 miles. Bearing
about
333.
as long as I've been
Pacific
simming,
time.
actually.
Positive rate. Parking brake off. Com 1, 132.4.
And
10,833 VASL.
Based on
Flaps 1. Flaps 1.
yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the what kind of stuff. Yep. Granted, thankfully they put, once I got it wrong the first time, like, oh yeah, I'll send you a message with
I just do not envy those pilots who do text only. That just is,
yeah, I'm not gonna
oof. That would be hard on my fingers.
The only time I do that is if like I have a sore, well, if I had a sore throat, I wouldn't even be flying, but like, yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Flaps 2.
Yeah, I want this freaking kind of gauge for like a prop planes, because seriously, the following GFL AGL thing is not going to.
Oh
God!
Not
gonna cut it.
That's a huge set of instructions, Jake. Jesus.
Was this in a pilot's flight, by the way, or is this on Flight Virtual, or what is this?
Fly virtual. I already did my flight of the month, but I'm trying to redeem myself because they accepted a minus 1200 landing rate. I'm like, I can do better than this.
I mean, yeah, you need to send me that. I want to do the 737 tour, but I can't with the 737 I have, so
okay,
yeah.
I'll send it to you. But I'm gonna warn you, she's gonna fly differently.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll modify it and tramp accordingly, I guess.
Flaps 5.
I didn't make any modifications. Well, I think I need to up the climb rate just a little bit because she's heavier, but
yeah.
No, not by much, but I mean, she's a little heavier now. But at least you won't rock it up to
Yeah, pretty much, Jake. That's a lot of our landings sometimes.
Yeah.
That's not the worst. I got negative 4,000 once.
Oh!
8,133 feet ASL.
Like my VATSIM landed like Canadian Express for obvious reasons wouldn't accept. They're like, oh yeah, we're gonna just outright reject this bomb because it's like over negative 1,000.
Holy crap! You damaged that plane. It was definitely damaged.
Yeah,
Man.
no, we need a serious like call out gauge for props because getting a key for that like close to the ground trying to.
Can you use the flight following off when it doesn't crash?
No, because I don't think FSU IPC. I think it's a bit delayed with the AGL. I don't think it's when it says 200 AGL. You're probably a little lower.
Actually, I was at 7 when I took off, so I'm not even looking at AGL right now. I don't need it. I don't need to.
6,831 feet ASL.
Yeah, no, I was like, oh my god, man. I can't remember what flight that was. I didn't submit it because I was like, no, I'm not even putting that on my profile. That's not going. That's. Unfortunately, on that negative 1,000 thing on VATSIM, on VATStats, you can't remove flights.
Ow, that's not good.
The good and the bad flights are up there for you to cringe at. Can't remove them.
So, any flights I do, you can kind of, like, look at my flights and go, what happened?
Yeah, people can look you up by name. Like, you go on VATSats and go to pilot
I actually tried to
codes.
look you up and I couldn't find you.
You gotta look up my real name, not Orange. You gotta look.
No, I tried typing in your real name and, I couldn't find you. Unless I spelled your name wrong.
You gotta, it's vatsats.net/pilots and then go to search and then put in any of our names. Declan, Gus, any of our
I
names.
landed at LAX and Ideal Flight thinks I'm still in the sky.
Oh, I thought you, okay. Mine's working.
I did, but apparently I landed on a different runway than what it expected.
No, it doesn't matter.
And
It doesn't matter, no.
well, it hasn't done the.
Did you put the parking brake on?
I normally never do.
Well, you sometimes the plane doesn't fully stop. Sometimes you don't know when to stop it. But see, that's the thing with Pro ADCX. It tells you like manually brake when you're holding the period in like F2 for reverse thrust. It says 50 knots, 40 knots, 30, manual brakes. So you hit F1 and then it stops.
Oh wow!
You have to stop at a specific, knots before it will actually stop the damn plane.
Really?
Yeah, because it's the physics of like these bigger airplanes.
Oh yes, to Lockheed Martin.
Smaller planes will pretty much
Lockheed
stop.
Martin.
Closest city, Bell Gardens, California. 1.0 miles.
Stupid thing!
Bearing
Quit crashing!
160. Pacific time.
Although
Positive
apparently in the
Parking
new
brake off.
simulator,
Flaps 10. Com 1, 132.4. Flaps 15.
Yeah, he probably didn't land on the runway, Jake. It's a tramp thing. Sometimes tramp will not. Well, it's the stupid because the autopilot turns off at like 200 feet AGL. Anything between 200 AGL and the ground can happen, like the plane drifting. Yeah, it's a problem. Especially in like crosswinds or whatever.
I'm so confident right now. I'm not even. I mean, well, I've done this flight so many times. I'm just not really looking at tramp. I don't really need to at the moment.
Well, the problem is, like last night, I was having remember that MBDA problem I was having where I wouldn't let me look at tramp because of that freaking.
Yeah, because the control key was stuck or whatever. Yeah.
Whatever problem that is. And
Yeah, I've had that issue before, so.
And like, yeah, like, well, for whatever reason on that sim, it won't let you pause the sim, like on descent. It won't let you pause the sim. So I was kind of.
No, it won't because it won't because it's against your TOS. You specifically cannot pause the sim.
I thought you were allowed to under certain conditions.
I don't remember reading that. I read it.
2,500.
No.
Yeah, that would be nice, Jake. I want to get a stick too for controlling, prop planes and like with FSX pilot, like that speed manually with a stick would be really nice to do.
2,191 VAGL. Flaps 40.
But Jake, because I know you've been doing A2A stuff, which is great, and we're gonna get with you on the whole tooltips thing. What do you do? The commercial stuff too, or just I can't remember. I think you just told me you haven't yet because of you don't have any
1,687 VAGL.
commercial planes in P2D yet.
Alright, hold on a minute, guys. I'm gonna need silence in a few minutes.
$1,312
Yeah, I know, Jordan, even though he hates... I know Jordan, even though he hates me very much, I know he uses a stick for takeoff.
I'd love to get a flight stick.
I mean, he used to use it. I mean, now he uses FSX Pilot because it takes off automatically. But yeah, he.
1,971 VAGL.
All right, hold on a minute, you guys. I do need radio silence.
Hear this.
500. 400. 'Minimums. Glide slope. 100. 50. 40.
Whoa! What the hell is up with that ground vehicle?
20. 10.
Or was that another plane? Sarah, you didn't. You should have started pulling back the throttle at around 50. You put it around at 20. I don't know about that. That was probably too late.
We'll see.
Parking brake on.
Flight following row 1 column from yes to 024 point. Zoom pro account row 2. Ideal flight professional row 2 column 2. Ideal flight professional.
Let's see what
Zoom meeting. Smart zoom pro account smart. Track the progress of the edit multi-line. Track the event description list. 68711 p.m. Event landed in 1907 11 30 p.m.
It sounded like a beautiful
landing.
landing,
At
but
7 11 30 p.m. Event touchdown early at minus 260 fpm. Gear level.
minus 260.
39 and 46. 7 11 30 p.m. Event touchdown early at minus 260 fpm.
Yeah, minus 260. I'll take it.
Edit multi-line. Event pause, cancel button, copy log button, finish button.
I always throttle down at 20 in these smaller planes. Always.
Pressed file pirate. Copy log file pirate button. Pressed unavailable pilot center button. Noted OK button. Noted pilots. Lockheed Martin trip OBS 2024 Zoom Pro account
Oh, the
1
bigger like 787s or whatever.
Zoom meeting ID 261
I-
551
50.
Smart card
No,
1 column 1.
yeah, about 40.
Zoom meeting ID 2 Smart card 1 ideal flight profession ideal flight. Ideal flight. Exit flight. Flight completed. Exit flight to assessment. Continue. OK press.
I want to see what IF told me. Because that sounded good.
Unknown. Ideal flight professional. Flight pane. Header. Flight.
That sounded a little hard, but it sounded pretty good.
Context menu. Ideal and load show record. New assessment time. To assessment log note. Find dialog. Find what? Found the next occurrence to assess. Landed off runway.
Oops, well.
Landed off runway 1572 FT. Touchdown 0 FT.
Oh well. Let's see.
Touch selected. Left touchdown time 774. Touchdown vertical speed minus 264.44
Yeah!
FTM.
Minus 264.4.
Nice.
I'll take it.
Ideal flight profession.
Yeah.
Ideal flight. Flight ended. Flight ended. Accept. Ideal flight. Flight ended. Flight ended. Accept. OK press. Ideal flight profession.
Take it.
Smart card 1. Ideal flight profession. Explorer.
Yeah, Jake, I get it, but you know,
Ideal flight.
you
Smart
can't
card
kinda,
Lockheed.
you can't
OBS
kinda do
Lockheed.
that with
Lockheed Martin prepare 3D.
keyboard. I really don't know how to do that.
Unavailable.
Do what?
Do the actual flare.
Oh
with-
yeah, I don't know how to do. Ah, you know, and the funny thing is, I forgot to arm my spoilers. Oops.
Oh
So,
yeah,
I'm really surprised
may have been a bit better with the spoilers.
Yeah, it might have been. I mean, it sounded good. It sounded good. Let me actually.
Zoom meeting ID 200. Ideal flight smart card OBS studio 6.
I'm gonna.
Studio mode. Stop recording checkbox checked. Studio mode check.
I'm gonna do another play.
Stop recording. Stop recording.